Story time.
The Mysterious Delivery Box. Tom loved to draw. He was 7 years old. He liked to draw cars, animals, and houses. His room was full of his colorful drawings. Tom lived in a small house with a big, sunny garden. One sunny afternoon, Tom was happily drawing in his garden. He heard a gentle sound, a whir, a whir. A small, quiet delivery drone came to his house. It was a new type of drone, shiny and silent, hovering softly in the air. It stopped near his gate, its little propellers spinning slowly. A small compartment on the bottom of the drone opened. A robotic arm came out. It carefully held a big brown box. The box had no name on it, and no address written anywhere. It looked very old, not new like the drone. It had strange, glowing symbols on it, like little stars and circles, that pulsed with a faint light. Tom was very curious. He stopped drawing and slowly walked to the gate. The drone's arm gently put the box on the soft grass. Then, the drone made a whir, sound again and flew silently away, disappearing into the blue sky. Tom looked at the box. It was big, almost as tall as him, but surprisingly light. He tried to open it, but there was no tape, no string, no obvious lid. Just the strange, glowing symbols. He carefully pushed the box inside his house. "Mom, Dad, look what came," he said, his voice full of excitement. His mom and dad came. They looked at the strange box. "What is this?" Tom, his dad, asked, surprised. "Did we order something we forgot about?" "No," Tom said, shaking his head. "A drone brought it. It has no name on it, and it feels empty inside." His mom touched the box gently. "It's a mystery. Let's see what's inside." "But how do we open it?" They tried to open it. They pushed, they pulled. They tried to find a hidden button or a seam. Nothing. The box was closed very tight. "Maybe it's a puzzle box," Tom's dad suggested with a smile. Tom looked at the strange symbols again. He touched one that looked like a star. Nothing happened. He touched one that looked like a circle. Still nothing. The symbols pulsed softly. He put the box in his room, next to his bed. He looked at it all evening. He tried to draw the symbols on a piece of paper. He wondered what fantastic thing could be inside. A new toy, a magical game. That night, Tom found it hard to sleep. He kept thinking about the mysterious box. He got out of bed quietly. He looked at the box in the dark room. Suddenly, a very soft light came from the box. It was a faint, green glow, like fireflies in a jar. Tom's eyes widened in amazement. He touched the box again. He carefully touched the star symbol. The light got a little brighter. Then, he touched the circle symbol. The light got even brighter, almost sparkling. Then, a small, soft click sound came from the box. And a small, narrow door, almost invisible before, slowly opened on the side of the box. Tom looked inside. It was dark, but he could see a faint green light coming from within. He carefully put his hand in. He felt something soft, leafy, and a little bit warm. He pulled it out slowly, very slowly. It was a small, glowing plant. It had bright green leaves that pulsed with the same soft green light as the box. It had no roots, just a round, smooth base. It looked very beautiful and unusual. The plant moved its leaves gently, almost like waving. It felt alive. Tom smiled, a huge smile. "Hello," he whispered. He gently put the glowing plant on his bedside table. The plant stood up straight. Its leaves softly glowed, lighting up a small part of the room. It looked very friendly and magical. The next morning, Tom woke up. The glowing plant was sitting on his bedside table, still glowing softly. "Good morning, little plant," Tom said. He gently touched one of its leaves. It felt smooth and cool. He ran to his parents. "Mom, Dad, look." The box opened. His mom and dad were very surprised to see the glowing plant. "Wow, Tom, what is this wonderful thing?" his dad asked. "It's from the box," Tom said. "It's a plant, and it glows." The plant moved its leaves gently, as if saying hello. His mom smiled. "It's so beautiful, and so unique. What will you call it?" Tom thought for a moment. "It glows green, and it's so special. I will call him Lumie." Lumie's green glow became a little brighter, as if happy with its new name. From that day on, Tom and Lumie were always together. Lumie could not talk with words, but its glow would change colors with different emotions: a brighter green for happy, a softer yellow for calm, a pulsating red for worried. Tom understood Lumie. Lumie also seemed to help Tom with small things. When Tom was sad, Lumie would glow a comforting soft yellow. When Tom drew, Lumie's light would make the paper glow, making drawing even more fun. One afternoon, Tom was drawing in the garden. Lumie was sitting next to him, gently glowing green. Suddenly, a big blackbird flew down. It was very quick. It took Tom's favorite drawing, a picture of a fast red car, and flew away quickly. "Oh no!" Tom cried. "My drawing! It's gone." Lumie saw the bird. Its glow immediately turned a worried pulsating red. It started to glow brighter and brighter, flashing. "Lumie, what are you doing?" Tom asked. The bright, flashing red light from Lumie caught the bird's attention. The bird seemed confused by the sudden, intense light. It flew in circles for a moment, then dropped the drawing. The drawing fell softly to the ground. "Yay, Lumie!" Tom shouted. He ran and picked up his drawing. It was fine. Lumie's glow returned to a happy green. It moved its leaves gently, as if proud. Tom hugged Lumie carefully. "Thank you, Lumie. You are the best friend. My hero." Lumie's green glow pulsed happily. A few days later, a bigger problem happened. Tom and his family were going to the park. Tom had his favorite toy car. He put it on the grass and was playing. But then, a playful dog ran by very fast. It accidentally bumped Tom's toy car. The car rolled away very fast and went into a deep, dark hole under a big tree. "Oh no!" Tom cried. He was very sad. His favorite car was gone. Lumie saw the car disappear. Its glow immediately turned a worried red. It made a strange, high-pitched whirring sound that Tom had never heard before. Then, something amazing happened. Lumie's leaves started to grow. They became longer and stronger, stretching out. And from its base, small, strong roots started to appear, like little green ropes. Lumie quickly extended its new roots into the dark hole. The roots glowed softly, lighting up the inside of the hole. Lumie carefully felt around with its roots, searching for the car. Tom watched, amazed. Lumie was growing. And it was helping him. Lumie's glowing roots found the car. Very gently, they wrapped around it. Then, slowly, Lumie started to pull the car up from the deep hole. The roots pulled the car slowly, carefully. Tom watched, his heart beating fast. After a moment, Lumie pulled the car out of the hole. It was safe. "Lumie!" Tom shouted, amazed. "You are amazing. You can grow and find things too." Lumie's roots slowly retracted, and its leaves returned to their normal size. Its glow was a happy, bright green. It gently pushed the car towards Tom. Tom hugged Lumie again. "You always help me. You are truly magic." From that day on, Tom and Lumie had many more wonderful adventures. Lumie was not just a beautiful glowing plant. It was a smart, brave, and very helpful friend. It always knew how to help Tom, even in strange ways. Tom learned that his mysterious delivery box had brought him the most unique and loving friend he could ever ask for. And Lumie, with its glowing heart, learned that helping Tom made its light pulse with a special, warm happiness. They explored the world together, always ready for the next mystery, the next adventure, and the next day of glowing fun.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon with more new stories.